How to add money in Uber Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add money in Uber Wallet. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch Uber app on your device. Make sure that you log in to your account. Head towards account and bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap wallet option at top right corner of the screen. And then you will reach on wallet section where you need to enter the amount that you want to add money in Uber wallet. Suppose 100 and PR, and you can tap add payment method at bottom of the screen. And here are the two method that you can add payment from, that is credit or debit card and gift card. Simply you need to select the method that works best for you. Let's select credit or debit card, and here you need to add password. And after that, you will successfully add money to your Uber wallet. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.